Hey guys, welcome to this video, and I'm going to talk about Binance Scalping Bot, how you can use Futures Auto Scalping Bot in easy steps. Okay, it's super easy. It takes only 3 minutes, only 3 to 5 minutes to set it up. Okay, if you are like a pro crypto user, it will take 3 minutes. Otherwise, if you are new, it could take 5 minutes. Okay, me and my team is always ready to help you guys to set this up. And first, you can see my website right here. Okay, it has a lot of information about the bot. It's the best Binance scalping bot because it gives you high rate of investment. Okay, automatic crypto trading, and ease of usage. Okay, you don't need to do anything else after you set it up. You just reload your page and check your portfolio every day. Okay, so it's just a one time like plug and play thing. Okay, so first, if you don't have Binance or any crypto account, just scan this QR code, download the app, and sign up, and it's easy to set up. Okay, so this code, this QR is for signing up on Binance. Okay, so once you scroll down, you can see the dashboard of the bot. Okay, right here, this one. Okay, the dashboard of the bot, it has amount, leverage, stop loss, take profit, place manual trade, and more. Okay, let me show you official page of this bot. Okay, so just check this out. Just like here it's currently running. Sorry about the background noise. It's currently running. Okay, so amount I have set is $100, 5x leverage, 1% loss. That means 5 into 1 is 5% loss, and 2% take profit. That is 5 into 2, that is 10% profit. Okay, so 5% stop loss, 10% profit, and it will start trading. You can place manual trade first to check if it works or no, if you have any error or API related error or no. Okay, if everything is set or no, you can check with this button first, and then after you close the manual position, you can select auto start auto trading or stop auto trading, and then you can clear history. If you have multiple position history build up here, you can close. So after you start, you just close this tab. Okay, just close it and forget about it. Okay, so you don't need any mobile, laptop, any smartphone. You don't need it because it runs 24/7 on cloud. Okay, it runs on VPS. So if you don't have internet, okay, it will still run, it will still uh, trade, it will still scalp for you. Okay, so let's see how it works. But first, let's continue on the website. It has a lot of features that you don't know about. First of all, the monthly ROI. If the market is trending, okay, if market has a lot of volume, lot of spikes, lot of pump, okay, lot of volatility, then you can easily expect up to 40%, okay, monthly return on investment, ROI. And if market is, let's say, flat, okay, market is don't have a volume, okay, market is still has a little bit moves, like few months, in few months, okay, few months in a year have a flat market. Okay, so you will still make 20%. Okay, but in trending you can make up to 40. Okay, so winning rate is 70% on trending. Okay, sorry about that. In trending market, winning rate is 70%. And what's more, you can use a 10x leverage, 5x leverage. I use 5 for mine, because I don't want so much risky trade, so I stick with the 5x. Okay, so what else? It has few more features you should know about. First, it's automated trading strategy, the brain the brain of the bot is built in strategy. Okay, the strategy which generates the signal is built in. You don't need the third party platform like a tradingview or something like that. You don't need it. Once you have this bot, a trial, a membership, whatever, the bot works. Bot think of, think, without any help. So it generates signals depending on the market and give you return. Okay, so it has futures market support if you want to scalp with the leverage. This is for you. It has a robust risk management. It's set up, restore, take profit, stop loss. Okay, it's set up stop loss, take profit automatically. You don't need to set up manually. You don't need to enter numbers every day. Okay, it does it for you. Okay, and it has a safety net coverage if something goes wrong. Let's say if there is a Binance API issue, okay, and it fails to set stop loss, which rarely happens. So 99% time it never happens. But if 1% of the time if it fails to set stop loss order, then safety net has your back. Okay, safety net cuts your position in just minus 2% loss, so your trade and your money is super safe. Okay, so real time market analysis, it scans the market every 10 seconds. Okay, with a live and fresh data. And it trades high volume altcoins. These are the super like useful features of the bot that some of the my competitors don't have. Okay, it use only high volume altcoins. It scans automatically the top trending coins, like the newly listed coins, the which has most hype, um, most hyped up community, or most thriving community. Okay, it select those coins specially. So newly listed coins with with a fresh volume, fresh pumps. Okay, it select that. And from the top 10 highly volume coins, it select one coin and start scalping. Okay, and customize trading parameters. You can select leverage, easy entry, exit rules, threshold to match your style. So fresh, friendly web interface. As you can see, the dashboard is just beautiful. Okay, it's easy to handle. And what else? A secure API. It's safe because of the permissions, the limited permissions you set. Is safe API. Okay. So these are some back testing results. You can select 10x leverage, 3x leverage. Expect very good results depending on the market. Pricing, when it comes to pricing, it's like super affordable. It just starts with like $37 monthly, and you will recover your this small investment in just first 1 or 2 days. Okay, and then for like 28 days you have profit. And if you have a high budget, if you are a like big trader, right, and if you want to trade for like 5 digits in 5 digits uh, portfolio. Okay, then these two plans are for you. Like if you want to be super VIP, you can use this lifetime bot, and annual is also a smart choice. So that's up to you. Okay, so you can pay with the crypto, and you can pay with the Western Union or bank transfer, whatever you feel like. Okay, so there are scanners which are not showing up for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, maybe my net has some kind of issue right now, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so hold on. So let's talk about how to set this bot. Okay, it's super convenient, super easy. Let me show you. So you need this API right here, and secret key from Binance API management. So go to Binance, search API management, and then enable these permissions after you verify your 2FA. Okay, these four permissions, enable it. Okay, first you need a reading permission, enable futures, unrestricted, less secure, IP restriction. So this allows you to use the bot on multiple devices, multiple browsers, so you have a full liberty. Okay, and select spot or margin trading. Okay, so that's for scalping. And then once you got this two like keys, API and secret key, once you copy it, and you need to go to your bot dashboard right here, fill these keys right here, API here, secret key here, and select number of positions you want. Active positions, I selected one, and then you click on update, save, and then go to settings, select the how much amount you want to trade. Example, I selected $100, 5x leverage, 1% stop loss, 2% take profit. This is very good ideal setting. I recommend this settings. So click on save and then go to trade. Okay, so here comes the main part. This is the final step of the bot, how you can start this bot. Just once you reach the trade page here, it shows inactive. Okay, right now it's active, but it will show inactive when you first log in. Okay, first time when you log in, it shows inactive. Then you click here, it will say start auto trading. In my case it's active, so it shows stop button, but for your case it will show start button. Then auto scalping will start. Okay, and you can place manual trade here just for checking things up, and your active position will show here. You can also close your position from here. So this is super easy to set up. Okay, so if you have any question in mind, then leave your question in the comment or just send me message. Okay, just go to my WhatsApp right here. Just for message me on WhatsApp. I'll reply, and I'll show you how to use this bot. Just scan this QR and sign up on crypto exchange Binance, the number one exchange, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay, so it's easy to get this bot. You need free trial, just ask me. Okay, I'll give you the license key. You can test it for like 2-3 days and then let me know. Okay, so guys, thumbs up, leave a thumbs up, and leave a very good comment. Your questions about this bot, leave in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll bring you latest tech and many perks in future. Okay, so it's nice, it's been nice to be to have a family, YouTube family, and then be a part of the family and subscribe to this channel. So see you guys next time.